Hi everyone, today we're going to make some no-bake bird's nests. All you need is shredded wheat, chocolate, sweetened condensed milk and some of your favourite mini eggs to decorate. Melt 200 grams of your favourite chocolate. We use dairy milk. Then add your tin of sweetened condensed milk. Mix in your crushed shredded wheat. We used around 8 biscuits today. You can add more or less if you like. Then mix it all together and pop it into some bun cases. Then to finish, add your favourite mini eggs on top to decorate.